with these whole big chunks straight on.
That is what you're going for. That is just delicious. So this is going to be a bit of a rapid fire cook up, but we've got the Back to Basics Beach Kitchen. We're going to do that yellowfin pan-seared on a campfire. There's a few weird ingredients that go into this, but it's quickly becoming my favorite recipe. So let's get straight into it. First step, let's make a fire. All right, we're gonna get this fire pretty excited and pretty hot to start with, and then I'll let it burn down and get a good coal base going. We can start preparing our tuna in just a sec. The yellowfin tuna is going to be one of the most sought after fish all around the world, and there's a lot of better chefs out there probably watching that do a fantastic job at cooking it, but I'm going to share with you a bit of a recipe I've got going here. Basically the procedure is we're going to make a marinade here to get the fish nice and sticky, and then we're going to put it in a crusting that we're going to cook it in. To make the marinade, it's just a bit of this and a bit of that. We've got a little bit of fish sauce, pure sesame oil, we've got some honey, and a little bit of soy sauce. Now time for our crusting. We've got poppy seeds. So the other things that work really well for the crusting are sesame seeds. I just didn't have any on hand. But yeah, poppy seeds seem to do the job as well. Bit of sugar. About that much. And the good thing with this recipe and this style of cooking is every time you do it, it's going to taste completely different. Bit of salt and pepper. It's probably a good time, guys, for you watching. Please let me know in the comments what your favorite ingredients are when you're doing this kind of setup. This is just some mixed herbs. All right, next step. We've got some large chunks of tuna. Get them into the marinade and let them sit for a minute. Beautiful. The idea is to get this fish nice and sticky so that crusting mix all sticks to it. Let that soak for a sec. Good news is my fire is now nice and hot. We want this really hot. If you're cooking at home, guys, max temperature. I'll just knock it down so the coals are ready to go. All right, let's get our tuna nice and crusted. Just slop him on in there. That's what he's going to end up looking like, a pretty generous coating.
All right, put these whole big chunks straight on. That's it.
All right, the idea here is we don't want to cook it all the way through. We want it medium rare in the middle. So it's a bit of a guessing game, but 30 seconds to a minute on each side. Hopefully it'll turn out all right. So let's flip this one. Starting to smell pretty good. All right, I think that is just about going to do it. So the guessing part of this is you want it medium rare without overdoing it. We'll see how we went. Oh geez, it smells nice. It smells really, really good. Let's see how we went. Going to chop a couple of limes. Bit of suspense here as I'm chopping through. I think we've got lucky, guys. That is what you're going for with a yellowfin tuna steak. Perfect. Let's check this one. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. I'm very happy with that. The finishing touches would be a little soy sauce dipping bowl and a squeeze of lime over the top. All right, this is how I'm attacking it, Fran. Look at that. You don't want soy sauce?
Yes, sir.
Nice. Every time it's a little different, eh?
I would have left it marinating a little bit longer.
That is so good.
So good.
It melts in your mouth, eh? That is delicious. I think it's my new favourite cook-up, I reckon. I'm sure That's what you're going for when you're cooking yellowfin tuna, that medium rare in the middle. That is just delicious. If there's any far more knowledgeable chefs watching, please let us know how we went. I'm sure you guys will of course let us know what I did wrong, but I wish you could taste it. It tastes absolutely delicious.